like a cloud tornado. So weird. I'm being a good citizen, putting my shopping cart back, even though my car is all the way over here. Good citizen. Well, today was lovely. I had the beautiful opportunity to switch cars with my dad so that he could take it to the shop and get it all worked on. Oil change, get my brakes checked, check my stereo, which I promise you something is wrong with it, but they said nothing was wrong with it, so I'm gonna believe them. But let's just say my radio is way louder, and now it really isn't that loud, so I just assumed that like a speaker went bad or something, but they say no, so I believe them. But we got to go out to lunch, and it was just a great catch-up time. It was like a super surprise too, because we had no plans of doing this today. So it's been a good day. Gonna go home and do some laundry, do some thank you notes for my birthday, because people are awesome and they gave me things. They're so sweet. Say hi. Cal. Callie. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. You're a goofball. You're a goofball. You know that? She's weird. So weird.